friends, welcome back to our channel, where we delve into the delightful world of country cottage farmhouse decoration ideas. In this video, we'll explore various techniques, styles, and tips to transform your home into a cozy retreat, reminiscent of quaint countryside cottages. From rustic accent to vintage charm, get ready to be inspired as we take you on a journey through the elements that define this timeless aesthetic. Country cottage farmhouse decor is all about embracing the charm of rustic elements. Incorporate natural materials such as reclaimed wood, distressed finishes, and wrought iron accent to add warmth and character to your space. From exposed wooden beams to weathered furniture pieces, these rustic touches will infuse your home with a sense of authenticity and coziness. When it comes to color palettes for country cottage farmhouse decor, think soft neutrals, earthy tones, and muted shades. Option for color like creamy white, soft grays, warm bakey, and saggy green to create a serene and inviting atmosphere. These soothing hues will help to evoke the tranquility of rural landscape and bring a sense of harmony to your space. One of the hallmarks of country cottage farmhouse decor is the incorporation of vintage finds and flea market treasures. Hunt for unique pieces with history and character, such as antique furniture, vintage textiles, and retro accessories. This eclectic accent will add personality and charm to your home, giving it a lived-in and collected over time feel. To enhance the cozy ambience of your country cottage farmhouse decor, layer in plenty of soft textures and tactile elements. Incorporate plasters, fluffy pillows, and woven rugs to add warmth and comfort to your space. Consider mixing and matching different textures such as linen, wool, and cotton to create a visual interest and depth. Bring the beauty of the outdoors inside by infusing your home with natural elements like fresh flowers, potted plants, and botanical prints. This organic accent will breathe life into your space and create a connection to the natural world. Consider displaying wildflower in mason jars, hanging botanical artwork, or incorporating botanical motifs into your textiles and decor. Add a touch of nostalgia to your country cottage farmhouse decor with vintage-inspired details and personal mementos. Display family heirlooms, old photographs, and cherished keepsakes to tell the story of your home and create a sense of history and heritage. Incorporate vintage signage, enamelware, and galvanized metal accent for an authentic farmhouse feel. Design cozy gathering space where family and friends can come together to relax and unwind. Arrange comfortable seating around the central focal point, such as a fireplace or oversized farmhouse dining table. Add soft lighting with vintage-inspired fixtures like lanterns, scones, and pendant lights to create a warm and inviting ambience. Thank you for joining us on this journey through charming country cottage farmhouse decoration ideas. By incorporating rustic elements, warm color palettes, vintage finds, and cozy textures, natural elements, vintage-inspired details, and inviting gathering space, you can transform your home into a cozy retreat that celebrates the timeless allure of rural living. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring home decor tips and ideas. Until next time, happy decorating!